Do you know who chose the name of Python programming language? If you don't know, don't worry, because Chachu Einstein is here. The Python programming language is named after the British comedy group Monty Python. The founder of Python programming, Guido van Rossum, was a fan of the BBC series Monty Python's Flying Circus, a popular comedy series that aired from 1969 to 1974. When he was creating the Python language in the late 1980s, he wanted to choose a name that was fun, memorable, and a bit quirky. Since Van Rossum was a fan of Monty Python's humor, he decided to name the language Python as a tribute to the comic group. The name was also chosen because it was short, unique, and had no significant connection to other technologies or existing programming languages at the time.